Show of hands, who has used AI? Okay, thank you. So, 2 out of 3 customers are frustrated when their inquiries are not resolved in a timely manner. Egger needs an integrated AI solution that works for our customers to solve these inquiries. So I'm today going to propose 3 different solutions that we can take moving forward to ensure that we can serve our customers better. First solution, we can stay as we are, which is fine. Egger's known in the marketplace for great customer services. On the flip side of that, the negative is that we'll lose out on this wave of AI innovation, and our competitors might get ahead of us. Second option, we deliver an integrated AI solution. This will help bolster our customer service operations and serve our customers in a timely manner. The flip side of this is that it will cost a lot to integrate, and there's a steep learning curve, especially with this innovative technology. We maybe necessarily don't have the expertise now, but we can certainly work towards it. The third option is to use our chat Eggerbot that we have at the moment, which is not currently integrated. This is on a third-party platform and is basically masking ChatGPT, but Eggerized. The pluses of this is that it allows employees to get hold of it, play around with it, get used to the platform. The negatives of this is that there's been a lack of training with this integration, and also it needs a lot of investment to move it forward. I'm going to go for the second solution, which is to really ramp up the integration and then have the bespoke system integrated into our services. So currently we have a plethora of information on our systems, where we have over 500 articles on our website, which we are underutilizing. We can get an AI system that scrapes all of these articles and then delivers the answers to our customers. What will that do for us? That will enable our customer service agents to then have a more personable touch with our customers, as the low-level inquiries will be resolved in a timely manner. This means that we can call our customers, create that relationship for the future and moving forward. So, moving forward, we need to do this. Egger needs to continue to innovate and take on this AI wave. Nice job.